Okay guys, working on a 2011 Lexus RX450. It would be the same as the RX350. Today what we're doing is we're working on changing out the hood struts. So let's go ahead and pop open your hood. Alright, so let me show you what's happening here. So our hood struts right here, if you hold it up and then you let go, it just falls on you. And that indicates that your hood struts are bad and need to be replaced. Okay, so now if you have a second person, they can either hold it in place. This job actually doesn't take very long to do, or you can use like a stick or a broom handle to prop open the hood. What you're going to do is get in here, and you want to get right directly behind it with a flat head screwdriver. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pop these out. Now, it doesn't make a difference if you lose these clips because you don't have to reuse them. These are actually on the new one that you purchased. So let's go ahead and just pop that off. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like. All right, so on the bottom side of this, it's the same identical thing. So what we're going to do is just get behind here. And if you look right down here, we're going to pop behind this, just like that. And then we're just going to pull straight out. Okay, and then this thing will just twist and pop right out. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to match up your new one that you picked up. So let's go ahead and open this, and then we will check to see if it's the right one. Alright, so this is exactly the same, and like I was saying, you just want to match them up, and you don't want them too long or too short. So basically there's that clip I was telling you about. Now you do not have to do anything special to install it. All you have to do is put it on there, and then you push it into place. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I clean these off before I'm installing it, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of dielectric grease on there. You don't need a whole lot, just a tad bit. And then we'll do both the upper and lower socket. Okay, so now when you do this, you want to start out with the bottom one. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to put it on there, and then you're going to push it on, and it locks right into place. If you hear it click, that is exactly what you want. Now, if you notice right here, it's not lining up. If it's not lining up perfectly, then what you do is you just need to turn it a little bit just to get it to line up before you install it. Okay, so say that it's on the bottom side like that. What you're going to do is you're going to grab a hold of it, and you're just going to turn it until it lines up. Now, if you notice here, it's going to be up too high. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to put pressure up on the hood. So you're going to have to push it up until it gets into position. You just take it, push it in. Sorry about there you go. And then it just locks in, so you do not have to do anything special with this at all. Go ahead and do the same here. We'll get behind. So go ahead and pry on it and pop that thing out. And then as it comes out, just pull straight out and it pops out again. The bottom, it's the same way, and you just take and push it straight out, and then you pop it. And there you go. Got a helper, so they're going to hold the hood up while I get this done and completed. Do not remove it. One strut will not hold the hood up by itself. Okay. So again, we start with the bottom, right down here. And all you do is just add a little pressure, and it pops right in. There, pop it in, and there you go. And now you got your hood struts in place. And now you're done. Hopefully this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe.